Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your stock portfolio with E-Trade detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting your stock portfolio with E-Trade, log into your E-Trade account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab at the top of the page. Select Portfolio from the drop-down menu. Take a moment to review your current holdings and assess your investment strategy. Next, identify the stocks you wish to sell. To sell, click on the stock you want to remove from your portfolio. Choose the trade option that appears on the Stock's Details page. Select Sell from the Order Type menu. Enter the number of shares you wish to sell. Review the order details carefully to ensure accuracy. Click on the Preview Order button to see a summary of the transaction. If everything looks good, click Send Order to execute the trade. Repeat these steps for any additional stocks you want to sell. After selling, evaluate your current cash balance in the portfolio. If you need to reinvest, research potential stocks that align with your new strategy. Once you have selected new stocks, go back to the trade option. Choose Buy from the Order Type menu. Enter the stock symbol for your chosen investment. Specify the number of shares you want to purchase. Set your desired order type, either market or limit order. Preview the order to verify all details are correct. Finally, click Send Order to finalize your stock purchase. By following these steps, you will have successfully reset your stock portfolio with E-Trade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.